The devil hides in the details. The antonym of clean is not dirty, it's impure. But we treat it like ground-in grime, something to be scrubbed away. Salt, lemon juice, hydrogen peroxide. And when that doesn't work, a shelf full of products. Foam cleanser, tonic, micellar water, serum, night cream. 7 layers, morning and night. You can't wash your way to clean skin, my great-grandmother said, every time she retold the stories about my mother's big sister's war against pimples. My mother's big sister was model tall and had the facial features to match. She knew she was pretty, but that meant every single pimple was treated like a ketchup stain on the Mona Lisa. There was scrubbing and washing again. The consequences I can still see on her skin today. Uneven, scarred. It's hard to say who won. My great-grandmother was right, but not for the reasons she thought. A pimple is not a stain on the stovetop. It's not dirt and grime. It's a biological consequence of something underlying. Hormones, microbiome, inflammation. None of it is solved with a washcloth. The skin has its own defense system. Sebum is not dirt, it's a function. The microbiome is not grime, it's protection. And the more aggressively we remove it, the harder the body tries to compensate. But the language works against us. Impure skin sounds like something that needs cleansing. And so someone sells you a cleanser. And when the cleanser creates new problems, they sell you the solution to those too. The global acne market is $7.2 billion. It grows by almost 6% every single year. And acne prevalence isn't falling. If the products worked, why would you need so many of them?